Good afternoon to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox my various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a little capital piece that I picked up from Luke's NYC. The piece that I'm going to be unboxing today is the rayon kimono in a size 4. Actually, it might even be Capital Country, guys. I can't remember. I bought it. It might be Capital Country. Well, we'll find out together. But yeah, basically, I have bought a black size 4 Capital Rayon kimono from Luke's NYC. Luke sells secondhand designer goods, branded goods, etc., etc. And yeah, basically I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw that he was selling a pair of size 40 waist capital pants that someone had basically bought a size 38, took it to the tailor and got it increased to a size 40. And I was like, yo, wow, that's crazy. That would have fit me. I really want that. So I checked out his online store and somebody had bought it. But while I was there, I decided to check out his other capital pieces that he sells, and he had this bad boy. I was like, ooh, that is a fantastic piece for the summer period, which is literally coming up. So I decided to pick it up, and I bought the piece, and I had this strange feeling. I was like, Luke's NYC. I feel like I've seen the owner of Luke before in various like other fashion videos and things like that. So I did a little bit of deep diving and had a look because I wasn't following Luke's NYC at the time. And it was the guy that owns Luke's NYC. I had seen on many other pieces of fashion content before and now made the connection to who Luke is. So yeah, it was a whole experience just like seeing an ad, wanting a piece, buying a different piece, diving into the store and who owns it. And now I know so much more. And I definitely will be coming back to pick up a lot of other capital and maybe if they have it, undercover pieces as well, if that's in my size and whatnot. But there's a good rotation of pieces that come through Luke's, and that always causes me to actually check back, see what Luke has in stock, which I don't generally do with a lot of secondhand brand stores and stuff like that. I generally am like, I'll forget about it and come back 6 months later. But I'm finding myself, checking every 2 weeks, seeing if there's a new capital piece in store or a new undercover piece uploaded to their website. It's an awesome store. You guys should definitely check it out. But enough about that. Enough about the journey of like getting to this piece. We're all here for one thing, right? To unbox it. So yeah, I'll get into the piece. I'll unbox it. I'll show it to you, and then I'll chuck on an outfit and put it all together. But let's get into it. All right. Now, this did take a little while to get to me, but that is very expected because shipping from Australia, or sorry, I should say shipping from the US to Australia always sucks. It always absolutely sucks. Every other place in the world that I bought from, Japan, Europe, etc., no dramas. Easy peasy, no issues whatsoever. Every single time I buy from the US, it's slow, it takes forever. Something about US shipping, man. It's just grim. It's just very, very grim. But here is the bag opened up. Got that sorted. Let's get this awesome piece out and I'll show it to you. Nothing else in the bag. Cool. Fantastic. So this piece, I'll try and find a good point to unravel it in a way. Here. So this piece is a very thin, lightweight, let's see, is it Capital Country? It is Capital Country. There we go. It is a Capital Country piece. It is a very lightweight rayon kimono that I'm planning as just wearing as just like an overshirt. I'm gonna wear it over the top of a tank top in summer. It's just gonna be a really nice layer to throw on. I'm probably not gonna have it closed up as it currently is with the strap at the bottom, but it has, I think it has pockets on the front of it somewhere, I think, or on the sides. Pockets on the sides, yeah. So it's a very comfy, awesome, lightweight piece for summer. What really drew me to it was just the pattern. Like, look at that pattern on it, man. It's crazy. I love it. Like the flowers and everything. It's in black, one of my favorite colors. Yeah, it's It's sweet. It's fantastic. I love it. I don't know how old it is as well because it's not a piece that, at least since I've been following Capital, that I've seen appear on their online store. So I have no idea which season it's from, how long ago. I'll show you the tags. Give you an idea. Size 4 in the classic little Capital Gold. When you flip it over, it's got extra large, and there's their made in Japan, etc., etc. But it is so thin, you can literally see through it. Like, even if I bunch it up, I can still see it. Like, I can see the camera. You guys can probably see me through it. It's a very, very lightweight piece, but it's fantastic. I think it's beautiful. Definitely going to be wearing this in summer. It's come to me in one piece. That's perfect. Thank you, Luke. Yeah, well, I'll throw on an outfit now, and I'll see what I can come up with for this piece. It is a size 4. I looked at the measurements before buying it, and it looks to be okay. I should be able to fit into it, but knowing classic Japanese stuff, it's probably going to be quite tight around the shoulders, but we'll figure it out. I'll get it sorted, and I'll come back to you with an outfit. And here it is here. Here is the outfit, and here is me rocking the wonderful piece. So I'm literally just wearing Uniqlo's wide pleated pants, Uniqlo's white tank top, and then I've just thrown this on over the top. And I'm very happy with how it fits. I definitely could not have gone any size smaller. This is the smallest we could have gone. And it's probably meant to fit a lot longer, but you know, knowing me, being quite a tall dude, it's going to be a tight fit always. But here it is. This is it on body. Here is the design on the back. It's got very flowy arms, as you can see when I do this. It's so flowy there, and it's just comfortable. It's rayon. It's super light. You have pockets on the side. If I want pockets on the side to do, I don't know, to throw my phone in and stuff, it'd probably be too heavy to do that. So probably chuck my phone in my pocket down below. But here is the piece here. I could probably tie it up there, but I think I'm just going to keep the strings loose, keep it nice and loose. It's a very nice piece. I love it. If they do further versions of this kimono in other colors and things like that down the line, I'd be interested in picking them up, man, because I think it looks sweet. I think it's a very nice Capital piece, perfect for the summer. Just going to throw it on over the top of what I've got on already. I've got no complaints. I'm going to be looking good, staying nice and cool in the summer as well. But I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. Is it a hit for you? Is the piece a miss for you? Is this something you would wear? Let me know how you feel about it down in that comment section below. And that's it unboxed. There we go. I love it. It's perfect for summer. It's exactly what I needed. I'm surprised they don't do more like this though. Because Capital does like a lot of rayon shirts, and I've expressed in the past that I do want to buy a lot of them, and I only own one of them. I'm quite surprised that they've like touched on like bowling shirts and rayon shirts and stuff like that, but they don't do more of these like printed rayon kimonos and stuff, because like the piece is fantastic. It's such a lightweight material, doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. I love the sleeves being like the width that they are, and they don't like grab or anything. It's really just really flowy. It just hangs on the body really naturally. You could chill out in the sun like this and probably sweat it up a little bit because Australian heat is really hectic, but it's a lovely piece. Got the design throughout, you can see it down the sleeves there and stuff. I'm in. Thank you, Luke, for offering the services that you do. The store's awesome. Definitely going to be coming back and checking it to see if there's any other Capital pieces in a size 4 or size 5 that gets uploaded there, because yeah, it is hard to find places that sell Capital secondhand for a reasonable price. And I think Luke has hit that nice sweet spot of like reasonable price and regular good rotation of items. So definitely check him out. Go check out the store. I'll have the page linked down in that description section below. But yeah, let me know how you guys feel about the piece or about Luke's store in general. Let me know. I think it's wonderful, and it's a very nice piece that I'm going to wear in the summertime. But I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Of course, if you guys want me to unbox the various other pieces that I pick up, Let me know by giving me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, comment in that comment section down below. And if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is to subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, we're trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,895 subscribers before the end of October. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of the month. But that is everything I have to say about the piece, guys. I'm very happy with it. You might see a future Luke NYC purchase if he's got some stuff that really sparks my interest. We'll have to wait and see. But until then, until the next unboxing video, until the next Streetwear Talk video, until the next Capital video, talk to you later.